In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can predict capacity by the using of workload views and dashboards. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to go to your left panel, click on More, and then click on Apps. We first need to configure our settings to make sure that we are able to time track our task. So go here and click on time and capacity under Click Apps. And here, make sure that you check the settings and enabled it so you can use this to accurately predict the capacity of your members right here, including time estimates roll up, time tracking, time tracking roll up, total time and status, and work in progress limits. Now, once you've enabled and configured this, go to one of your projects and then add a view. First, you can use a dashboard to serve as a report. By using dashboards, this would automatically update whenever there's changes on your unassigned task, in progress task, and completed task. It also reports when these tasks are finished. Now, another view that you can use is the workload view that will show the capacity of all your team members and the tasks assigned to them. And by using this, you can now have an accurate prediction of the capacity for your entire team. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.